Alright, so despite the rain a couple days ago, I finally got my stage 2 cams put in on my 2014 Indian Chieftain. It has stage 2 cams, like I said, 2-in-1 Dirty Bird piece pipe, blacked out lights, and a tornado breather, Corbin seat, Roxor Fox gate, 6.5s in the back, 5 1/4s in the front fairing, and a 280 watt JL amp. If you haven't had a chance to hear the Dirty Bird pipe or the Dirty Bird pipe with stage 2 cams, here it goes. And it's a mess because I drove back about 150 miles in the rain. Stage 2 Dirty Bird, here it is. There you have it. You could tell a big difference just idling before I rev it or anything. It's puffing out. Well, it's not really puffing out, but you could feel a gust of the wind or the breathing coming out of that exhaust. Probably a good, let's see, from here over, say a good 7 feet maybe. Yeah. Good 7.5 feet, just idling. And once you throttle it, man, it'll make that little wind deal shake a little bit. It's kind of nice though, man. I like it. A lot of low end torque, not too much really on the high end. I got the what's that? The dyno tuner from Fuel Moto. Got that joint. They sent a map that works really well with it. Like I said, a lot of low-end torque, hell of a lot of low-end torque now. But even up in north of 5,000 RPMs, it's still gaining and picking up. 2014 Indian Chieftain, Dirty Bird, stage 2 cams. Go get it.